Yeah, baby. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Henry Precise, and today we back with another one. Today I got my boy Sean from Minnesota. He showed up at the shop and he said, Henry, I need a game changer. This Afro, it ain't working anymore for me, and I need to get my swagger back. So that's exactly what we are going to do. We gotta do a huge transformation, and also I gotta give you the step-by-step guide and how to do this haircut. I'm Henry Precise, and if you're enjoying the channel, if you're new to the channel, make sure and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Right now what I'm doing, I'm trimming down the hair with my guide number 8. We gotta go all even first with the guide number 8. Today is a beautiful day, beautiful weather. We are here from San Jose, Costa Rica, delivering this tutorial to you. So stay tuned and let's keep it moving. Now our next step would be open 1.5. This is the way we gotta start creating our first guideline with the open 1.5. We start from bottom to top, real carefully, real smooth before we start to fade. We start out with our guideline, open 1.5. As you guys can see, you can fade down also when it's curly hair. Alright, don't be afraid. We continue, we hitch towards the back, and we go all the way around with the open 1.5. Now my next step is gonna be start smoothing off the sides, getting rid of all that extra hair, and we're gonna start giving it a kind of a flat top shape. Real nice and smooth from bottom to top and from front to back. We gotta go all the way around with this procedure. Let me speed it up, move to our next step, cause time is money, baby. Now we move forward to our next step. We gotta create our second guideline with the open 1 from bottom to top, front to back. We go all the way around with our second guideline with the open 1. You already know time is money, so let's get it moving. So now we gotta open the gap from our clipper, open 0, and we gotta start create our third guideline. This will be on the sideburns area. Then we go towards back, open 0. That's the gap you wanna use on your clipper. We're gonna do, we repeat the same process on the other side. Now with my guide 1.5, what I'm going to do is close the gap, and then we gotta start blend and start fade this line that we create between the open 1.5 and the open 1. This we gotta blend it and fade it out with the close 1.5. Real nice and smooth with a lot of patience. We start to blend and create that perfect fade. As you can see, one step at a time, we getting our boy back his swagger. Once again, we go torch back, same procedure, close 1.5. We are fading the lines that we create between the open 1 and the open 1.5. We brush it real nice and smooth, and we continue the procedure all the way around, fading with the close 1.5. Remember guys, you can follow me on Instagram as henryprecisecuts and also Precise Barbershop CR. You can catch us on the gram, baby. Now our next step, we gotta add the number 1 guide, and we close the gap, and now we gotta start blend and fade out the line that we create between the open 0 from the clipper and the open 1. This we gotta start blended real nice and smooth and create that fade with the close 1. We go back and we continue to blend with the close 1. As you can see, this is a drop fade that I'm doing here, and also it has a little flavor of flat top. That's the way we gotta bring back Sean, his swagger. The mojo is almost there, baby. This fade, you can do it also with the half guard. If you're new to our channel, make sure and hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can keep me motivated to keep delivering videos for you every week. This is a brand new channel, man. We just have 2 months, but we learning, baby, and we getting there. Here I'm going to open the gap, open 0, and continue the blend with the open 0. This is my personal preference, but you can try it also if you like to blend this way. But we start out with the close 1. Now I switch it up and I'm doing it with the open 0. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another guideline on the neck. This is going to be with the trimmer, with your trimmer of your preference. We got to create one more guideline on the neck so we can do a quick taper. Just finish our guideline, and now what we're going to do, we got to start blend. We got to close the gap from our clipper, close 0, and that's the way we got to blend in this quick taper that we added here to our haircut. Also, we got to finish blend the other side of our haircut, and now it's time to move to our next step. Now what I'm going to do, we got to get rid of the extra hair on the forehead. We got to start shape up the forehead area like a flat top vibe. That's the way we got to shape it up from bottom to top. Now my next step is the lineup. We got to start in the back with your favorite trimmer, and we go all the way down to the neck area. Now, so we can get the extra crispy vibe, we got to do our razor also on the lineup. We get rid of the extra hair on the neck, and real nice and smooth, we get that perfect lineup. Now we got to get the other side done exactly the same way. We start out with our trimmer all the way down to the neck, and then we got to clean it off with a razor to give it that extra crispy lineup vibe. Now we go all the way to the front and we start our lineup. This customer, my boy Sean, he doesn't like lineups on his forehead, but he agreed to let me line it up just because of the video. So you already know, we getting it done real nice and crispy. We start out with a trimmer first, and now the swagger is almost there. We continue with the lineup. And he's almost ready for the ladies. You know, man, we got those haircuts for the ladies, so let's make it happen. We continue our lineup on the other side. Just remind you guys, I will be uploading video once a week. So if you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. I will appreciate it. Drop that comment, man. Good or bad, it's all love. And also you can hit that like button. So this is Precise Barbershop, Costa Rica. Now we finish details on our lineup with a razor, doing it extra crispy, and we almost done. Now we are going with our final details, a little water, man, because it's hot up in here. Now we got our curl sponge, and no sponsors by the way, but it's all love. And we continue with the final details of our haircut. Swag is almost there, man. Feeling good. Sean got his confidence back, and let's see if he likes it. Let's see if he like it. Yeah, I think so. So you already know. Blah! Swagger is back, baby. That's the final result of our haircut, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you like it. I'll be here back in a week, man, and you already know. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I appreciate everything, your comments, good or bad, man. I see you guys soon. This is your boy Henry Precise signing out. Blah.